welcome back to my channel and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we are going to be unboxing the August Barbella box. Barbella is a monthly subscription service. It costs $49.99 a month, and they always partner with a different female athlete every month to curate the box and obviously send it out. So if you guys are at all interested in seeing what I got in this month's Barbella box, then just keep watching. Like I said in the introduction, you guys, Barbella box is a monthly fitness subscription box. What I really like about this box is it gives you the option to skip a month. So maybe if the box doesn't fit into your budget every single month, you can kind of skip the months that maybe it doesn't fall into your budget and then only receive it specific months. I did recently skip the July month just because I was rather disappointed in the few first months that I was subscribed to this. I was kind of disappointed in the boxes that I was getting, and then I forgot to skip August, and so here we are with my Barbella box. We are about to see whether or not I'm going to be disappointed or not. Maybe I'll cancel rather than, you know, skipping. Maybe I'll love this month. We shall see. We open the box up and this is what it looks like. Right on top, I'm actually kind of excited because there's a hat here, and baseball bats do look rather stupid on me, if I do say so myself, because I feel like my ears just stick out. I don't know, they just don't look cute on me, but I love the color, especially leading into the fall months. It has like a lion on it, and on the side it says Lion Strong, and I like that it has like a little bit of distressing on the rim. I don't know, I personally prefer that type of a look. I don't know that you can adjust. No, you can. Okay, you can also adjust the fit of this. Oh god, I think I broke it already. Oh, no. Okay, yeah, here we go. So I'll show you guys how stupid hats look on me. I just feel like I literally can't pull it off unless I like tuck my ears into my hair. Still, I don't know. But I don't know. I could still see myself wearing this for like a walk if my hair is just not cooperating that day, or wearing it to the gym. So I do like to wear hats to the gym sometimes. You know, you just want to like head down, headphones on, like block the rest of the world out. But I actually really kind of like this. So this is the first item that we got, and then underneath that was 20% off your first order at Gym Hair. So that might be a lead into something in the box. And then there's also 20% off rxbar.com. I've tried RX bars in the past, but for me they're just a little bit too like chewy and sticky, so I don't like them really. But it looks like they're coming out with new nut butters, which I would actually really like. So there's that, and then there's the postcard that explains everything in your box and the value for each thing. Like I said, the box costs $49.99 to subscribe. So on to the next item. Over here on the side, it looks like we got a pair of socks, which I'm not going to complain about. I'm super weird about my socks. I don't know, it's a texture thing on my feet for me, but I love the feeling of a new pair of socks. So these are purple and blue, and they say Barbella on them. That's super, super cute. They feel really thick, and they feel like a really nice material, not like Hanes. I hate Hanes socks. I don't even know if they make women's Hanes. They probably do. But you know, like the men's Hanes socks? Does anyone know what I'm talking about? They feel so disgusting. Ugh, like I literally get the goosebumps. They feel so gross on your cheeks. Or feet. Anyway, I am actually really excited about the socks too. So far we're 2 for 2 on this box. Next up, we have this, which I'm not even sure what it is yet. What are these? These are lifting straps, so I'm not 100% sure how you use them, but I think you can use this around, this might totally not be what this is for, but I have ones like this that I wrap around my ankle for when I'm doing like kickbacks. But I don't know how. I'm gonna have to look up how to actually use these. But I'm actually really excited. We got a lifting tool in here too. In the past, I'm not kidding you guys, go back and watch my previous Barbella unboxings, and like it's just utter disappointment. But I'm super impressed by the August box so far. Okay, next up, yay, we did get one of the RX nut butters. I got mine in the shade. In the, I almost said scent, oh my gosh, in the flavor vanilla almond butter, which out of the 3 I saw on the little coupon postcard, this is the one I was probably most excited for. They also have a peanut butter and a honeyman cinnamon and a honey cinnamon peanut butter, which would also be really good. So I will have to give this a try and come back and let you guys know what I think about this. But I really, really like nut butters, and it's nice that it's in this like little travel pouch, and it looks like that's how they're sold too, which these are great for on the go or if you pack your lunch for work or anything like that. So, you know, we are 4 for 4 right now. Okay, you guys, I looked down expecting to only see one more item. Usually only get like 4 or 5 items. There are 3 more items in here. We are getting a total of 7 items. And from what I'm looking at, it's looking like it's gonna be a 7 for 7 box. Okay. Next up, we have this gym hair product, which I'm super excited about. This says the sweaty hair solution. No time to shower, no problem. With our naturally derived cleansing solution, just spray and finish conquering your day. You shake the bottle, section your hair and spray 3 to 4 times on sweaty roots. If you typically have oily hair, limit to a few sprays. Rub into the scalp to spread product thoroughly. So it sounds like a glorified dry shampoo. See how it smells. Ooh, it kind of smells like an essential oil mix. I like the smell of it. It smells good in my opinion. So I am also really excited about this, you guys. Oh. I inhaled that. Ooh, now I'm not sure I like the scent. I'll get back to you on that. Anyway, I'm not a huge user of dry shampoos, but I'm all about a gimmicky product, and this is a little bit gimmicky in my opinion just because of the gym hair. Good marketing tactic. Maybe I'll come back and do like a monthly subscription services revisited where I talk to you about what products I liked for my monthly subscriptions and which ones I didn't. I just recently also did a Try Beauty Box unboxing, and then I did like a beauty roundup unboxing. I'll leave links to both of those videos below if you're interested in checking those out. But let me know in the comments if you'd be interested in seeing me doing like a revisiting August subscription services video, because I'm super curious about some of these products. Next up, we got, ooh, like a vested hoodie or a cutoff hoodie. I am so excited for this because I'm not kidding, I've been dying for a hoodie like this, but I just can't seem to find the perfect one. I really like the color on this. As you can tell, it's like a marled navy, and I think it's really cute that it just has like the barbell up here in the corner, and then again, I love that it has a hood. So I am so excited about this. Like, so excited. This alone makes the box worth it to me, but I have been so pumped for every single item in this box. So super impressed with the August box. And there's one more item in here, and can you believe it? It is a water bottle, shaker bottle, blender bottle. I've gotten one of these I've gotten one of these in one of my fitness subscription boxes. It may have been my Muscle Me one. But look at this. This is adorable. So it says Barbella box on it. It has one of these like infusion things that you can put inside of it. It has, similar to like the blender bottles, you have the, oh god, where it snaps shut and it's nice and sealed. And then what I love about these ones is at the bottom, you can twist this off and you can put like a little snack in here. Like you could put almonds in here, you could put your workout powder in here, you could tuck that almond butter in here, and then you just twist it off and you have everything in one. So I love, again, I already have one of these from my previous fitness subscription service, and I already know I love this. I think it is so clever, and I'm so excited to have another one. I love the black and white, and I think the Barbella box logo is super cute too. So I am super pumped about this August box, you guys. Out of all of my subscription services for the month of August, this is by far my favorite box of the month. You'll have to let me know in the comment box below if you thought this was a good month. Let me know what other fitness subscription boxes you might be subscribed to. I've only tried this one and then Muscle Me, and I know there's so many more out there. I really am interested in trying Buff Box, but you'll have to let me know which ones you're interested in, and I would be happy to do more unboxing videos for you guys. Other than that, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so before you go, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!